Okay, so we watched another movie earlier where we talked about substitution, and we found, we look at the example and we had one solution. Now I want you to look at page 278, number 16, where we are going to see what happens if there is no solution. So let's see what happens. I have my two equations, okay? Here's equation 1, there is equation 2, and the instructions are that I should solve for this using substitution. So substitution means just what the word says. I need to substitute or put something in place of something else. So I always need to make sure that I have one of my two variables, such as y here, on its own, and it's easy, it's already given to me like that. Y is on its own on the left hand side. Y is equal to minus 3x. So I can just take this and plonk it right into the second equation. Okay? So I'm going to say, instead of writing y, I'm going to write minus 3x. So I'm going to say minus 3x plus 3x is equal to 2. Okay? But now I find this is a very odd situation, because minus 3x plus 3x, we all know, gives me 0. And 0 is never ever going to be equal to 2. Okay? So here is a situation where if I were to rewrite these and write them into slope-intercept form, let's just quickly do that so you can see. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 2. And you can see that the slope for this one and the slope for that one is the same. Remember, this is not a weird equation. This is just an equation that goes through the 0. So my b is 0. Okay, so this one goes through the origin. This one goes through 2 on the y-axis. But we can see that the two slopes are the same. Okay, now I proved that by changing the equation around and looking at the slopes, and I proved it by substitution. So we can now say that there is not going to be any solutions for this, because the slopes are the same. This is a parallel line. So when I get to this at the end, where I have an inequality, okay, not an inequality, where I have a non-identity, this can never be this, then I can just go down and say, right, there's never going to be any solution. It's a no solution. Okay, thank you.